The following video shows simple exercises and poses for wrist and shoulder care. First, let's begin with wrist care. Making a fist of both, start to circle in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Minimum 5 times on each side. Then going for extension and flexion of the wrist, keeping the fist closed. Extend and flex. Repeat on the other side. Make sure your arm is straight. Support your elbow with the other hand. Next, place your palms on the mat, staying on your fours as you gently allow some weight on your wrist by moving in circular direction, starting clockwise and then changing to anti-clockwise. Gently adding weight on the wrist joint in circular motions. Next, turn the palms inward, inverting them as you gently allow yourself to stretch back. Stretch only as much as your wrist joint lets you. Don't force or go in too deep too fast. Next, turning the palms sideways and shifting your body weight side to side on each hand, on each wrist. Go as much as your body lets you. Next, turning the palms on the back of the hands, pressing down and slowly backward. This can be a deep stretch, so be careful. Don't force or push too much. Slowly interlock your fingers, stretch it out 2 ways, out and invert it the other way as well. Slowly we're moving to shoulders as we start with shoulder circulation, clockwise, trying to meet the elbow in the center, and reversing anti-clockwise. Dropping your forearm to one side, next moving for a side oblique and shoulder stretch. You can do this 4 to 5 times each side. Placing the forearm down, you can allow the elbow to bend in a little bit, going deeper for the stretch. Looking up towards the sky or the elbow. Next, moving on to Gomukhasana hands, starting with the right hand, meeting the fingers behind the back. If your hands cannot meet, you can use a belt or a hand towel. Slowly join palms, adding to a stretch, looking upward, gently reclining back a little, and exhaling, interlock fingers behind the back and going in for a forward stretch. Allow the shoulders to stretch open. Next, placing one palm above the ear, pressing in to the skull as you work on releasing the tension between the neck and shoulders. Press and hold for a minimum of 5 seconds and feel the tension release between the shoulders and the neck. Next, moving on for Uttana Shishosana, also known as the puppy pose. So you try to press the chest and chin onto the floor. After which, going for a twisted variation of the same, passing the right hand under and next the left hand under, creating a twist with the chest and shoulders. Slowly relax in child's pose.